Hello, my name is Ben Lyons and I'm a solution architect at Avid Solutions. Avid has been providing automation, information, analytics, and on-demand support since 1987. We serve clients in the fields of renewable fuels, including nuclear and green hydrogen, life sciences, chemical, pulp and paper, consumer packaged goods, and food and beverage. At Avid, our people are our strength. Most come from plant operations and system integration backgrounds with deep technical experience. That, along with a history of successfully delivering projects, is what sets us apart. Avid strives to be easy to work with. We pride ourselves on purposefully implementing cutting-edge technologies. For over 30 years, we have delivered outstanding results for our clients. Today, 80% of our business comes from partnerships with our loyal repeat customers. We are heavily focused on helping our clients achieve their sustainability goals through the application of digital solutions in decarbonization and bringing to market circular economy processes. We're also expanding our life sciences solutions in PharmaSuite MES and providing repeatable automation solutions for single-use technology skid manufacturers for personalized medicine. Many of our resources are former Rockwell Automation leaders, so we have a deep understanding of Rockwell technologies and maintain strong relationships within the Rockwell organization. Our ability to understand our clients' challenges and apply the best of both organizations often results in a 1 + 1 = 3 outcome.